wey not dey sleep. God in heaven, he saved my marriage because he knows say everything wey happen. It was from the pit of the hair. You understand? All waiting happen, my lovely people. It was from the pit of the hair. But thank God today. That's why you still see them. They see they cry inside fake accounts. Iya wa ye so we fake accounts. Iya wa so. Esta ma se buena buena ma se sta ni ya mwe ni ato ya yo. Oma gbanu wa ekwe. Salobana ye ko ya muwa. So my lovely people, now married women especially now because of una now I can't play this audio. You understand? At times marriage and go you're the sweet. At times marriage go you're still rough. But not give up on your marriage. If you know say the man is very good man, he's very caring man, he's always there for you. You understand? Can't shine, he's there for you. You love him. When you meet him for the first time, everything about him, you love her. And especially if a dog will say, you want to remove it. Now you see, I see the way you draw the leg. Why are you behaving like that? You understand? My lovely people, Mona join us for YouTube, but Mona can't hear the audio. I want play am for now. You understand? You understand? Make I block this person. May go. Come, anyone must comment from you, I go block you. Wait till be your name, Esther. Why you don't mind your father business? May God punish you. Why you not tell them make them mind their business? I made mistake. They post audio, put for my YouTube channel. That audio say maybe this me don't delete am. I don't know. See something where happen since May. I record that. No, now inside that May, now the thing happen May 1st. You understand, my lovely people? They can't keep the audio for inside my. The thing can't happen. Can't they quarrel? They argue about and say why. If me not take many things happen along the line, you understand? So the stress was too much. You understand? I'm using it now. Now you want to come. Let me use it finish. Wait, this one for you. Take it. You understand, my lovely people? Wait.
Yes.
You understand, so my lovely people? Many things happened that time. It was an arrow from the pit of the hair. But God take them back to them. God take her back to the shame cast them. So my husband was hungry that time. And he have every reason to be hungry. You understand? So now that I do that video every time, angry, I don't tell her, say, I beg you don't do this thing. Not be my fault. This thing na center. Now devil people now do this thing. You're not supposed to be like this. I beg you, no 1 year. Now I can't say, what I go do now? If I dey tell my family, they not believe me. Or if I dey tell the family, they not go believe me. Now I can't carry that audio that night. I can't record my husband. I say I want to send out to the family. I want to send out to my family. Now what happen? And now what I never ever do for my life before. Now be that. Now make her you still see say I still forget her for my phone. I feel say I don't delete the audio. I don't know say it's still there inside my phone. So as I want just upload a video. Oh, Mama Didi Canada. I call you not Pico. I bet me you Pico. Social media I bet me call Mama Didi because I need to. Yes, next time I need to be very careful, my lovely people. You understand? So I want you to upload content for YouTube. I not just know. I just upload and put. So me and at night I can't do a premiere. And I know where to be premiere now. I can't premiere the audio. Not knowing that say okay. Not knowing that say my lovely people where God go bless. Now I dey tell. Not be all those seta. I see okay, even if I play this audio. If Ojeki let's still plan for a show, it will not die so can ya sa. Or ye vae, or I go near the vae ni vie. A penny and near go through a life in a stress ya, near go through. Or what on Nika joke ya fe penny ni ya fe bonic, if ye Ojeki le mosto, ya mosto susejo, ya mosto suhungu jo, ya mosto suhungu jo, a stress in ye me life in maybe a mosto ve suse, no even a penny je. No me na we evi no go through a water, evi ni me have mu eve. You understand? So now so it can't be so after that May 1st, the thing can't happen. Any small thing my husband go the verse. Now so this Ojekile sister come outside, begin the insult his generation. Begin they insult to Jegile husband. They talk my husband vex. These people, they really try to make sure say my marriage finish. You understand? I dey explain that to my lovers today. Oh, I dey explain that to my lovers. They really try. My husband was angry. Say, even the Jegile sister now, if he go fuck her now. Egi kweni bu we are don't yiri yagbali yen kugbe na we yen. Me come dey beg and say no vex. But this thing don't happen, it don't happen. You understand? Wetin we go do about her now? I can't keep myself. He was always hungry. I can't dey pet her. They use my wisdom as a woman. Say this man love me. I love this man. This man he made mistake. I know. Me myself made mistake. Me and myself, I know. But now I have to use the woman in me to be submissive, more calm, everything to make sure. But my husband overreacted because it was not be wisdom when me even use. Now for years say I don't dey look for the third man, and it's not my portion in Jesus' name. I reject it because now the man where I love, I waited for 9 years before I choose this man. Say now everything about time. I hear where egba no man for with the quarrel. You understand? With the quarrel. But this thing where it happened that they really cause quarrel. See breaking of marriage serious. But with God, with prayers and everything, a lot of pastors that and they call me, they intercede for prayer, they do everything for me to see. They see the video, they say the attack. They say, make me and my husband, even me myself. They'll pray with me. They'll pray with my husband. They try to, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up, please. Let's thumbs up for this video. Don't be wicked. Especially when you are a woman. Especially when you are a woman. If you see this video, you know, comment. You are being wicked. You understand? Thumbs up for this video. My people, where they watch me for Facebook, subscribe to Esther TV. Join me because you see I say na hands. Now they hold this video now. I just want to let you know say I did YouTube. Mona can't watch, listen to the audio for the YouTube because na my mistake. I accept and say na my mistake. You understand? Because na me upload that. I can't put another picture. One lady from Sweden. Now God, I go bless that lady. My phone come they ring before my friends come start to they call me. He just call me saying they call me since I not pick and I put my phone for silent. God just make I just see the color of the light of the phone. Now I just see her. Now I come say, I beg, go delete that video. Not be the one where you be one post. Not being you post. Go check. Now I come check and I see EJ. Me come they happy say, I don't delete her. Those are responsible women. That woman now where evil do and not be Bini. Now we will be Bini. Because of money, Bini woman can kill you. But not be all of them. Oh. Not be all of them. Like my friend, social media wahala, she's a sister to me. I will take her close to me. Mama Didi Canada, all those Tessie Space. Now still YouTube now for still miss Tessie Space. Tessie Space still call me, say my sister, no worry, I understand. Don't come and explain it to your fans. They will understand. You go only take a wicked woman. Where you not going to understand, feel your pain, say, see what happen. You go only take devil, take evil person. Where you not go feel for you. Where you go still talk, say, you come explain yourself. Nobody is perfect. God bless you. You understand? Let go bully you because of this thing. Let them bully you. But thank God your whole happen. You are still with your husband. You are still in your marriage. But you just have to be very careful next time. You understand? Then you will pray for them that what happened to me go happen to them. Because I will not laugh at any woman like this who made mistake. Woman trying to see something to do to support your husband. You understand? I was just trying to upload content. I'm a content creator. You understand? Then that's why I take upload this video 1 year. So you understand? The quarrel was so hectic, my lovely people. The quarrel was so hectic. I just say, let me just record this thing and send for our family so that they will know that I'll be begging this man. I'll be telling him I'm sorry. Maybe don't tire for this. You know, say get some kind quarrel where be say the devil go do the plan for you. God forbid me any of any good person where they for this family, my family, where they watch me, where they support me. More than not see what I see for body. But those people where be say they haunt me. They find my downfall. Where they bully me since this thing happened. Their children, their generation, as I born for 2 months. Now, so my children go still born for 2 months. The way I suffer put for man, make her be man. Young millionaire of Newbeck. Now me make her be man. Now me make her get money. When I count this euro, Germany come meet her. Young millionaire not get €1. He not get. When me they come from my account now exchange 1 million naira at my young age because I dey fitness. I be big girl already for Africa. He tell me say want use the money to put stuff for me for a year. Now I take send that money. Young millionaire cash me Shentro. Me don't know what to be Shentro that I did very small. I take my money from my first bank. I change out to euro carry come. When I come here, that money I start to take buy like 4 buses. Carry go ship go Nigeria. Now I say, boy, you say you want use the money to open stuff for me. That one a story for another day. If I explain my whole story put for social media, I go cry. If you dey wash and you dey tears. You understand? So that is why I dey pray say anybody where they bully me, anybody where they follow me, where don't know my story, if they say, you see, say me and my husband fight that they use her against me. Hey, smoke cassava, smoke cassava. I say this man to leave me go see destroy. That was the thing. Everybody where they around me, where know me and my husband know as I love this man, they crazy for her because now waiting and wanting a man, now he gets. You understand? Network receive send. Thank you, Stacy Space. God go bless you, my sister. Thank you so much. So, my dear family, problem is everywhere. God bless you. So, my lovely people, now so where it be say, the problem was too much. When my husband just dey waka for face, there was a time I come tell am say, okay, may you just forget Facebook for now because he go dey vex, He say he want even go France, he want to find, especially that useless severe robber where be say he don't frustrate, leave his children. Abandon again one video, one particular video where Ivie do. He say he want to use everything, take cash Ivie, may he fuck and finish. He go put am for social media. He go dey cry for her. You understand? I say no, I not go agree. Now my husband now you be. I not go leave you for anybody. If to say I not love you now, that one different. If you say you know they do me well, I can't they beg her. But you still they vex. You see they make any small thing go just provoke. Any small thing go just provoke. You understand? So I can't say the way they go. Before the temperament can't go kill my enemy for his house, my lovely people. Now I can't record them. I can't say I want to send the video. Mona, join us for YouTube. Subscribe for my YouTube channel.